Welcome to our comparison of two popular ice makers, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker and the Electactic Ice Maker. In this video, we will explore their features, production capabilities, and overall value to help you determine which one is the better choice for your kitchen or office. The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is favored for its texture and taste preservation. In contrast, the Electactic Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice cubes in two sizes, catering to different preferences. While nugget ice is often preferred for beverages like cocktails, bullet ice is versatile for various drinks. When it comes to pricing, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $209. Making it a more premium option. On the other hand, the Electactic Ice Maker is significantly more affordable at just $89. This price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and desired features. In terms of ice production, the Antarctic Star can produce up to 34 pounds of nugget ice in a 24-hour period, while the Electactic can produce 26 pounds of bullet ice. Additionally, the Electactic boasts a rapid production rate of 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, making it a quick option for those in need of ice on the go. In conclusion, both ice makers have their unique advantages. If you prioritize nugget ice and are willing to invest more, the Antarctic Star is an excellent choice. However, if you seek speed and affordability, the Electactic Ice Maker is a fantastic option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.